Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I'm super excited about today's video because Irresistible Me Hair gifted me some clip-ins and I'm super excited to try them. I've never used clip-ins before, so this should be fun. This is what the packaging looks like. On this side it says try me. So we're gonna pull out this side shortly and look what it's giving. So it's in there natural black. I think natural black is 1B and the curl pattern is 3C and it's 24 inches and it's 100% human hair. So this is it. To do a ponytail because I did cut my hair, guys, recently, and whenever I put my hair in one, you know, it not have the same volume, and I wanted to have some volume, so these came in right in time. And I'm going on the road shortly, so I want to look very cutesy, very different. All the information will be in my description box, so click the link and also use my code. I'll put it right here on the screen to get 10% discount. Okay, how nice. So this is the amount of pieces that it came with. It looks to me like different length. Let us see. So this is it. So this one has 3 clips. Two clips. This one has 4 clips. It's very full. Love that. And I got 2 pieces with 1 clip. I'm assuming that you'd use it if you're doing center part, but that's not the style that I want to do today. I want to put my hair up in one, so let's just get right into that. So guys, I did went ahead and slick down my hair with my favorite product. You can use whatever product you want to use. I used my favorite gel, and as I mentioned earlier in the video, I did cut my hair. I'm big on health over length, so whenever I put my hair in one, it doesn't have the volume that I would want it to have or it would normally have. So these clip-in came right in time, and the bonus is that I did not use any heat to pull off this cute little style, and that's the best part about clip-in. You can do a cute protective style without doing the most to your hair. Anyways, I did not make the bun too tight nor too slack because I wanted the clips to close properly when I start to wrap them around the bun. I'm gonna tie this part down until I'm done working on the top. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I What I'm going to do now is to spray it with some water and comb it out to get it fluffy. I love the fact that I don't have to worry about it falling off because it is clipped properly.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
Alright guys, so I could definitely go ahead and wear it like this, but I feel as if I want to put it in a bun. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm no hairstylist, but let me just play around with it until it looks suitable.
Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up.
Okay, beautiful people, so this is the final look. Comment and let me know if you prefer when it was hanging or in a bun. I think both of them are cute, but I personally prefer the bun. It's giving very cutesy, very demure. I love it. But let me know what you guys think. Nevertheless, I'll have these clip-ins for a very long time, and that's one of the main things that I love about clip-ins. If you take good care of them, you will have them for such a long time. So when I take these out, I'm going to wash them and just put them up and do another clip-in style another time. You'll have to keep up with me to see what I do next. But yeah, I could probably let it hang, do a half up, half down. Guys, they are so versatile. You could literally do anything that you want to do with them. One thing that I'd suggest is that when you go on their website, please to choose something that is similar to your hair texture so that blending can be much easier. Anyways, this is their natural black color, and I think natural black, as I said earlier, is 1B. The curl pattern is 3C. It is 24 inches, and all the information to this beautiful hair will be in my description box. Also, use my code. I'll put it right here on the screen to get 10% off. Bye guys.